Welcome back to our California DMV test prep series. This is part 11. Whether you're reviewing key driving rules or getting ready to pass your test, you've come to the right place. In this episode, we'll go over important road rules, driving safety tips, and key questions that often appear on the DMV test. Whether you're just starting out or looking for extra practice, this video will help you stay on track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new practice test. So, grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive into it. Question 1. A broken yellow line beside a solid yellow line indicates that A. Passing is permitted from the lane next to the solid yellow line. B. Passing is not permitted from either direction. C. Passing is permitted from the lane next to the broken yellow line. The answer is C. Passing is permitted from the lane next to the broken yellow line. Question 2. You were parked and have been waiting a long time with your turn signal on to re-enter traffic. However, traffic is heavy. You should A. Continue waiting and yielding to traffic in the lane. B. Slowly inch your vehicle into the traffic lane. C. Drive on the shoulder until a gap in traffic appears. The answer is A. Continue waiting and yielding to traffic in the lane. Question 3. This road sign means A. Bicycle crossing. B. Stop only if other cars are approaching. C. Yield the right-of-way to pedestrians. The answer is A. Bicycle crossing. Question 4. You must obey instructions from school crossing guards. A. At all times. B. Only during school hours. C. Unless you do not see any children present. The answer is A. At all times. Question 5. Roadways are the most slippery. A. During a heavy downpour. B. After it has been raining for a while. C. During the first rain after a dry spell. The answer is C. During the first rain after a dry spell. Question 6. You see a signal person at a road construction site ahead. You should obey his or her instructions. A. Only if you see orange cones on the road ahead. B. Unless they conflict with existing signs, signals, or laws. C. At all times. The answer is C. At all times. Question 7. If there is no crosswalk and you see a pedestrian crossing your lane, you should A. Make sure the pedestrian can see you before proceeding. B. Cautiously drive around the pedestrian. C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. The answer is C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. Question 8. While driving at night, a vehicle coming toward you has its high beams on, making it hard for you to see the road ahead. You should A. Look ahead toward the left edge of your lane. B. Look ahead toward the right edge of your lane. C. Look straight ahead in your lane. The answer is B. Look ahead toward the right edge of your lane. Question 9. When preparing to make a left turn from a two-way street, you should drive A. Near the right-hand side of the road. B. Near the center line. C. On the left of the center line. The answer is B. Near the center line. Question 10. What is a potential effect of taking a prescription drug while drinking alcohol? A. There will likely be no effect. B. It will make you more alert. C. It can make you unfit to drive. The answer is C. It can make you unfit to drive. Question 11. All of the following practices are dangerous to do while driving. Which of these is also illegal? A. Listening to music through headphones that cover both ears. B. Adjusting your outside mirrors. C. Transporting an unrestrained animal inside the vehicle. The answer is A. Listening to music through headphones that cover both ears. Question 12. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 25 miles per hour. The answer is A. 15 miles per hour. Question 13. Highway pavement will be particularly treacherous and most slippery. A. If it has been raining several hours. B. If it has just begun to rain. C. If it has been raining for 1 to 2 hours. The answer is B. If it has just begun to rain. Question 14. Drivers turning left must yield to A. Overtaking cars. B. Oncoming cars. C. No one. The answer is B. Oncoming cars. Question 15. When you are merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the speed of traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the speed of traffic on the freeway. C. The posted speed limit for freeway traffic. The answer is A. At or near the speed of traffic on the freeway. Question 16. It is against the law to enter an intersection when A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. B. The light is flashing yellow and you didn't stop first. C. The light is yellow and you cannot stop safely. The answer is A. You can't get all the way across before the light turns red. Question 17. If you are about to be hit from the rear, you should consider each of the following except for A. Applying your brakes. B. Letting go of the steering wheel. C. Pressing your head firmly against the head restraint. The answer is B. Letting go of the steering wheel. Question 18. A white painted curb indicates A. Loading zone for freight or passengers. B. Loading zone for passengers or mail only. C. Loading zone for freight only. The answer is B. Loading zone for passengers or mail only. Question 19. If you are involved in a traffic accident in California, you must file a report of the accident with the DMV when A. The collision causes $1,000 in damage. B. You plan on being out of the state for more than 30 days. C. You refinance the remaining balance of your vehicle loan. The answer is A. The collision causes $1,000 in damage. Question 20. You are driving on a freeway with a posted speed limit of 65 miles per hour. Traffic is heavy and moving at 35 miles per hour. The best speed for your vehicle is most likely A. 25 miles per hour. B. 35 miles per hour. C. 30 miles per hour. The answer is B. 35 miles per hour. Question 21. If you want to pass a pedestrian who is walking along the roadway and an oncoming vehicle is approaching, you should A. Slow down and let the oncoming vehicle pass before you pass the pedestrian. B. Keep driving at a steady speed. The oncoming vehicle must stop for you. C. honk your horn to get the pedestrian to move over? The answer is A. Slow down and let the oncoming vehicle pass before you pass the pedestrian. Question 22. Temporary signs used in construction and maintenance work areas. A. Have a red background with green writing. B. Have an orange background with black writing. C. Have a yellow background with blue writing. The answer is B. Have an orange background with black writing. Question 23. This sign means A. Trucks under 18,000 pounds are allowed. B. Hill ahead. C. Truck stop ahead. The answer is B. Hill ahead. Question 24. You should signal at least how many feet before you turn? A. 50. B. 75. C. 100. The answer is C. 100. Question 25. If your car becomes disabled while on the highway, you should A. Stop in the right lane. B. Park with all four wheels off the traveled highway if possible. C. Stop where you are. The answer is B. Park with all four wheels off the traveled highway if possible. Question 26. When double solid yellow lines separate lanes of traffic, A. Passing is permitted from the left. B. Passing is permitted from the right. C. Passing is not permitted from either direction. The answer is C. Passing is not permitted from either direction. Question 27. Driving under the influence of any medication which impairs your driving is permitted. A. Under no circumstances. B. If you don't feel drowsy. C. If it is prescribed by a physician. The answer is A. Under no circumstances. Question 28. Drivers are required to obey instructions from A. Security guards patrolling parking lots. B. Other drivers whose vehicles are broken down on the roadway. C. Flaggers, signal persons, at construction sites. The answer is C. Flaggers, signal persons at construction sites. Question 29. Collisions are more likely to happen when A. All vehicles are traveling at about the same speed. B. One lane of traffic is traveling faster than the other lanes. C. One vehicle is traveling faster or slower than the flow of traffic. The answer is C. One vehicle is traveling faster or slower than the flow of traffic. Question 30. A school bus is stopped ahead of you in your lane with its red lights flashing. You should A. Stop and proceed when you think all of the children have exited the bus. B. Slow to 25 miles per hour and pass cautiously. C. Stop for as long as the red lights are flashing. The answer is C. Stop for as long as the red lights are flashing. Question 31. If you have a green light but traffic is blocking the intersection, you should A. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. B. Enter the intersection and wait until traffic clears. C. Merge into another lane and try to go around the traffic. The answer is A. Stay out of the intersection until traffic clears. Question 32. If you are being passed in a no passing zone, you should A. Pull off the road. B. Maintain your speed and position. C. Slow down and let the other drivers safely return to the drive lane. The answer is C. Slow down and let the other drivers safely return to the drive lane. Question 33. What does this road sign indicate? A. Directions for children. B. School zone ahead. C. Playground area ahead. The answer is B. School zone ahead. Question 34. This sign means A. No U-turn. B. Traffic signal ahead. C. Railroad ahead. The answer is A. No U-turn. Question 35. You may make a left turn on a red light only from A. One-way street onto a two-way street. B. One-way street onto a one-way street. C. Two-way street onto a one-way street. The answer is B. One-way street onto a one-way street. Question 36. You enter a designated turn lane to make a left turn at an upcoming intersection. There is oncoming traffic. You should A. Move to the left of the center lane. B. Signal before you arrive at the intersection. C. Turn your front wheels to the left to be prepared to turn. The answer is B. Signal before you arrive at the intersection. That wraps up today's episode of our California DMV test prep. You're another step closer to getting your license and becoming a safe, confident driver. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep reviewing these concepts and check out the other parts of this series for even more helpful insights. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.